Meaning of ham-handed.
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 Ham-handed. The term ham-handed is used to describe someone who is clumsy, awkward, or unskilled with their hands. It can also refer to someone who is lacking in finesse or tact. A ham-fisted person often struggles with delicate tasks or situations that require a deft touch. This term can be used to describe physical actions or interpersonal communication. For instance, someone who is ham-handed might knock over delicate objects, break things, or offend people with their lack of social skills. Overall, ham-handed refers to an individual's lack of coordination, grace, or sensitivity in various contexts.